first trip. Let's see how it goes. That'll be interesting.
Hey, we're here at the Ladiga Trail. This time we're trying to go beyond Cedartown to see if we can make it. We always have started from Jacksonville, went to Cedartown, but we want to go a little further to see how things are beyond the Cedartown. On to Georgia! We made it to Cedartown, Georgia. We actually started at Piedmont, so it's about 12 miles less than whatever we usually do. So we're right here at the 23 miles, 23.5. We're headed that way. That's we have never been beyond Cedartown, so it'll be interesting to see what's out there. So eventually we'll make it all the way to Atlanta. So that's the goal.
Halfway done.
Alabama!
Hey, this is Brian. Me, Suman, Lane, and Brad just finished doing the Chief Ladiga Trail. Drove up from Birmingham, started at Piedmont, went all the way through Cedartown and to the other side, up some hills. Pretty crazy ride. It was a great day. It's about 93 here now, so pretty hot, but a good time overall. Made some friends, had a good time. Recommend it.